Another major milestone is unfolding at Spotify Camp Nou. The future home of FC Barcelona is taking shape at an incredible pace. Every new milestone brings Spotify Camp Nou one step closer to becoming one of the most iconic stadiums in the world. Today, work continues across multiple sectors as a new compression ring segment rises into place, facade installation advances, and the diamond-shaped structures continue to grow. Let's dive into the latest construction update. One of the first major developments visible in Gol Norte is a new compression ring box segment prepared for lifting. The segment is already positioned beneath the structure and is set to connect with the next radial beam section as work continues extending the ring around the future roof. Nearby, workers and lifting equipment are preparing the installation area, signaling that another important section of the roof support structure is about to be assembled. Attention also turns to the diamond-shaped auxiliary building along the lateral side of the stadium, where reinforcement work continues across the upper slab levels. Large sections of steel reinforcement are now in place, showing clear progress compared to previous updates. However, additional reinforcement must still be completed before concrete can be poured. Further along Gol Norte, crews remain focused on the facade support system. Workers are measuring anchor positions, inspecting structural beams, and preparing mounting points for future facade elements. The area has already undergone significant preparation, with teams now concentrating on alignment and final positioning work. The interior mobility core areas remain among the busiest sections of the project. Numerous workers and lifting platforms are active inside the structural framework, carrying out installation and finishing operations. Additional crews continue applying protective coatings to steel components around the facade support zones as multiple construction tasks advance simultaneously. Moving into the tribune side of the stadium, construction activity remains visible both inside and outside the structure. Workers continue finishing interior surfaces while lifting platforms operate around the facade support framework. Preparatory work is also progressing around the roof support pistons and structural elements that will eventually connect with future compression ring segments. Large numbers of facade support components remain stored throughout the tribune sector. While support structures and diagonal beams have already been installed in several areas, some sections are still awaiting anchor installation. Activity also continues inside the nearby diamond structure, where crews remain focused on advancing work across the lower levels. A major highlight of today's update comes from Gol Sud, where another compression ring box segment has already been installed. The newly positioned section remains attached to lifting slings while crews complete the final securing process. This latest installation confirms that the compression ring continues advancing steadily toward the tribune side of the stadium. In sectors where facade llamas have already been installed, workers are carrying out alignment and fastening operations. Crews are carefully checking connections and ensuring all components are correctly positioned. At the same time, painting and protective treatment work continues on exposed structural elements throughout the sector. Along the lateral side of the stadium, most facade anchors have now been installed, leaving only a small number of remaining connection points. The steel truss system also appears close to completion, suggesting this area is approaching the next major phase of facade installation. Significant progress is also visible on the mobility cores, where sandwich panel installation continues to expand. Installation methods have become increasingly efficient, allowing crews to advance much faster than during earlier phases. Several mobility core structures are now largely enclosed, while nearby sections continue receiving coatings and finishing work. One of the most advanced diamond-shaped buildings now displays substantial progress in its exterior framing system. Numerous aluminum support elements have already been installed, making the final geometry of the structure increasingly visible. Another noticeable development can be seen in newly treated concrete areas, where waterproofing materials have recently been applied. The protective layer now covers large sections of the structure, while concrete work continues progressing across multiple areas of the diamond buildings. Elsewhere along the lateral side of the stadium, work continues on several additional diamond-shaped buildings. Scaffold systems, structural supports, and steel assemblies are becoming increasingly visible as these structures continue to rise. Although activity levels vary between sectors, progress remains steady across the entire construction site. Later in the day, the compression ring box segment seen earlier in Gol Norte was successfully lifted into position. Crews carefully guided the segment while crane operators maneuvered it into alignment with the existing structure. The successful lift marks another important step forward for the roof construction project. Construction activity remains intense across every major area of Spotify Camp Nou. From the ongoing expansion of the compression ring and façade systems to the rapid development of the diamond-shaped auxiliary buildings and mobility cores, progress continues on multiple fronts. With several key milestones approaching, the transformation of Barca's future home continues to gather momentum.